Let's taste some pizza and see how we did. Who wants the first slice?
Me.
It's pizza day.
Pizza day.
I mean, do you really have to say more than that? Okay, so I tried something new. I got myself one of the Bighorn Outdoors pizza ovens. I took it to my dad's house the other day and I've already tested it out and made a pizza. And I will say I'm learning. This is a learning process, but I'm really excited to do this with the kids today. I've told the kids we'd have a pizza day out here at the house. The interesting thing is this thing runs on wood pellets. So I can literally pack it with a thing of wood pellets and take it camping. I can use it here on the back porch. So easy. I'm just gonna fill this up with some wood pellets. Use this handy dandy little fire starter to get it going. I also cheated at my dad's house and just stuck a torch to this thing. Fired them suckers right up with a propane torch. It wasn't no problem at all. Just slide that in there. Let that sit for a few minutes and get preheated. I'm gonna start working on my other ingredients.
Hey, can I help?
You sure can. What are we making today?
Pizza.
We are, but I'm not just making pizza. Y'all are going to make this pizza anyways. This is for y'all to make. I'm making a pizza bar, and then y'all are going to get to put whatever toppings you want on their pizza. I've got pepperoni, I've got hot honey, I've got mozzarella, of course cheese. We know y'all love cheese. Now, I like Italian seasoning in my pizza sauce, and I like garlic in it. Hey, Brad, do you want to make a pizza?
Sure.
Judd, do you want to make
Jaden.
Judd, my brother's Judd. Jaden, do you want to make a pizza? You do? Okay, well, guess what? There's going to be pizzas for everybody. All of us can make a pizza. And if we do really good at this, when we go camping with Carl and Evan this year, I'll take my pizza oven and we'll do this at the campsite.
Pizza!
These pizza pills are a lot harder to slide pizza on and off of than you would think. So you've got to get plenty of flour on here or it will stick to your pizza pill. If you're like me and it really goes bad, the back piece will stick, the front will slide and stick to the stone, and when you're trying to shake it off, you'll just be tearing the pizza apart and it'll roll over and fall out of the oven and it'll look like a mess. Then you'll do it again and it'll be all right, but you'll be out of wood chips and you'll forget to refill it like the instructions say because you didn't read the instructions, and your pizza will be too smoky with the fresh chips as you relight it. Both of those are problems that we're not going to replicate today because we've already made those mistakes. We intend to make brand new mistakes today that we've never made before. I've got my sauce here. This is really simple. It's just salt, olive oil, and real DOP San Marzano tomatoes grown in the volcanoes of some volcano. And then I also have some easy pizza sauce for y'all to try if you like this better. A special thank you to Bighorn Outdoors for sponsoring today's episode, for sending this fine pizza oven. If you are looking for a portable pizza oven, this thing is amazing. It cooks on wood pellets, nothing big to tote around, anything like that. The legs are all foldable. You saw me pull it out, put it up. Great even heating through the top of the oven. Fire getting pulled up towards that chimney there. It gets up to 660 degrees. It's perfect for pizzas, perfect for anything you want to cook with high heat. More than pizza, vegetables, steaks, things like that you want to grill. This thing will be going with me on my next camping trip. And if you're interested in taking your grill game to the next level, check out the link in my description. You will thank me later. Woo! Mistake number 3. This sucker's hot. So, there is this little thing that came in the box that I just remembered because I just touched this sucker. The signs all over it that say in English, hot. The signs that have the little things, waves coming up in the triangle.
Do not touch.
They hot.
Mistake number 3.
Oh yes, we're preheating nicely, as I could feel.
Mozzarella and cheese.
Now these are Haley's favorite mozzarella. She calls them cheese balls, as you may remember from the steak and cheese that we made with Katie. I tried to get the big ball of cheese, but they didn't have it. And then they have this long log of sliced mozzarella. I'm going to try this because I'm going to make 2 pizzas for me because they're 2 of my favorites. One is going to be pepperoni hot honey, and the other one is going to be more of a Napolitano or Neapolitan. I should really Google how to say that before I come out here. Neapolitan is the ice cream. Yeah.
Neapolitan pizza.
Neapolitan pizza. It's the same as the ice cream, folks. So we all went over, when I went to try this pizza, we all went over to Grandpa's to try it because Grandpa needed some help re-roofing his shed. And he is putting an old roof. He has got a used roof to put on his old shed. I reckon he read that Bible verse, don't put new wine in old bottles. And he thought, no sir, don't put a new roof on an old building. Put an old roof on an old building. So we spent a lot of time out in the heat putting on that roof, and I thought we need some good food. I happened to have just picked up my pizza oven and it was still in the box. So I said, you know what? I'm going to cook some pizza. So we pulled it out and we did it. That's where I did my mistakes the first few times. And I honestly was very impressed with how easy easy it was and how portable it was. I put the thing together out of the box and cooked the pizza in literally 20 minutes to put in here. I probably should have read that. That looks like enough. Resist the urge to brush off the top of the pizza oven. Look at that smoke. Oh, like a pizza choo-choo train. So trying to lay this out in a semblance of order over here.
Holy moly.
Look at this.
Oh,
look at this right here.
I didn't say that. It's like a whole, wow.
It smells so good too. Wait till we roll up at the campsite running that bad boy. Let's see here. I've got everything lined up like we need. So, who's gonna make the first pizza?
Me.
Is there anybody that wants to make a pizza?
Me.
I think we have some pizza people. Let's not pull it out. So, Jamie, you start first out. Go around 2 or 3. Good. Well, I've got to practice up. I want to show them the steps to the whole world. Here we go, Jamie. Pull this one right here. So one thing that I learned that we want to check before we make our pizza is we want to make sure she slides easy on our peel, because if she don't, she won't come off, and that will be a problem. Ask me how I know. Oh yes. So Casey, get us another cutting board.
Pinch more.
Okay. I'm going to help you finish out around the edges where it looks like we're not getting a lot of cheese. No orange, pure white cheese. Lots of white though. Do we want sausage?
Half
that
of
you
it
made?
sausage.
Half of it sausage. Okay. What about pepperoni? Do we want any pepperoni?
It's a hard choice. Okay, a quarter of sausage. That's good.
You can have sausage and pepperoni together on a quarter of it.
No, that's one thing that's. You want a quarter of.
Okay. You want a quarter pepperoni?
Yep.
Rest cheese. Wow, you're a real made-to-order dude.
Oh
Booyah.
my word, that looks so
Oh.
professional.
That's good and shaky like we like it. Let's put it in the oven.
No!
Oh, your sausage
Did it
got
burn?
hot. Well, okay, so Dad's not the fastest counter, but this half is perfect. I was supposed to turn it, and I forgot.
Okay.
So let's see how we can do with my take. Let's see if I can not mess up a Neapolitan pizza. This is my favorite pizza. If I go somewhere and they have it, this and pepperoni hot honey are the ones I go for. I might could have pureed my tomato just a little bit more. Now, since it's a little baby pizza that I'm making, let's throw some pearls of mozzarella on it.
Or you put cheese and then sauce on the top?
No, that's my Chicago deep dish pizza.
Okay,
We wouldn't do that. That's a long baked pizza. This is a short baked pizza. The one thing I said that you don't want to forget to do is jiggle your dough. I'm jiggling my dough, and my dough isn't jiggling, and I have already topped it. So we're going to try this again. Where's it sticking?
The surgery.
Right here on this side. I'm a little nervous right there. If this goes bad, that's where it will go bad. That is exactly how I messed up my pizza the other day at my dad's. It got stuck on one side, it got wet, and then the next thing I knew, there was pizza all over my pizza stone.
Pizza's fun to make, though. I mean, everybody makes mistakes. Lots of people.
This makes me nervous, my friends.
Dad, it would make me nervous to lose a pizza. Very good.
Oh, I'm barely hanging off. Not as bad as I did last time. Let's do 90 seconds.
This needs a bit of a turn.
Oh, this is truly going to be a thing of beauty. Look in there at that.
Can I help you? Yeah, I love crispy edges.
That is perfection in a pizza in my book. That truly is perfection in a pizza in my book. Let's get this out of here.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
We should have a little bit more on that far side.
They don't have another cutting board.
Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Literally less than a minute for perfect pizza. I'm gonna shred this basil over top of it. I'm gonna have to go back and look and see if I was supposed to put this on before or after I pulled this out of the oven. I just have a feeling that these tiny leaves would have burned in the oven. So I'm putting them on afterwards. If I'm wrong, go down here in the comments and let me know how I'm wrong. I've got a pizza oven. I'm gonna cook a lot of pizza. I'll do this again. Also, if you have a favorite pizza combo that's not pineapples, send it to me because I'm gonna try that too. We've got the whole rest of fall to cook pizza. The workstation might be a little messy, but we've got a lot of memories here. And I will say, I feel like every single time that we have made a pizza, we have improved something. That's the idea, get a little better each time. Yeah. Casey pulled this dough, and it is perfectly round. I had to squeeze it a little bit on the sides to make it fit on my peel. Yeah. We remembered to shake it, a little bit of that fresh tomato taste, and then some of this pizza sauce. This one is gonna be my masterpiece. It was gonna be my Neapolitan pizza, but instead, this one's going to be my masterpiece now. I mean, unless this one messes up, then my Neapolitan will still be my masterpiece. But what do you think I'm going to do with this one, Casey?
Keep it good, you know.
Pepperoni and hot honey.
Pepperoni and hot honey.
Oh, this is a combination to die for. I've got some Zab's hot honey here.
Oh, I'm definitely going to die for it. That sounds so much better.
Extra cheese. We don't order a pizza in this house that doesn't say extra cheese on top of it. There's just something peaceful about cooking outside. I love it. And this, getting to do this with the kids was really special. Look at that. For the last time, if we don't mess this up, this will be 4 pizzas in a row. I don't know what kind of batting average that is, but it's pretty good. Oh. Little shakes till it catches, then just slowly slide it off. Oh, I could have been a little more on the thing. See, that little edge just keeps catching me. But overall, it's a win. You see the one I spilled last night over the front of the pizza oven. 90 seconds, sis. Look at that. Look at that pepperoni pizza. Got a little crunch on that crust. Now let's go down with some hot honey. All around that crust and just zig and zag across this thing. Which reminds me, drizzling the hot honey on my hot honey pepperoni reminded me that I forgot the olive oil on my Neapolitan pizza. Oh, yes, and I do think that was the right to leave it fresh. I'm gonna have to look it up later, but I think that was right. We can't blame Brad for what happened to his pizza because it's Dad's fault. I think we have a whole host of pizza wins. What do you say, Casey? These look like wins to you? Cheese, pepperoni, sausage, and Dad burnt. Are you satisfied?
Yeah!
Well, let's eat some pizza.
Woo!
This is the moment everybody waits for. It's always a good day to eat a pizza. Bradley, I know what slice you don't want, but what slice do you want?
I'm thinking right with this one pepperoni right there.
Oh, good and cheesy. You did a good job on yours. Your layering was beautiful.
Oh, wow.
So I'm gonna do a taste test on mine.
Can I do taste tests on ours?
Mm-hmm. Pepperoni hot honey. Clear. Top of the line winner. We're gonna make that again. If you only make one pizza, this is as simple as it gets. Pepperoni hot honey. I will say you're not gonna go wrong if you've got a pizza oven. If you don't, Bighorn Outdoors makes a great one. But you can't go wrong getting the kids together, making a little pizza bar, throwing some easy toppings out there, some of their favorites. This was fun. The pizza tastes great, and I've got a new winner for pizza in my life.